Hey, how's it going? Today I'm gonna go over and draw a scary ghost face. It's gonna be super simple. It's just gonna be the face as well, okay? So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve up. Kind of like sad, very similar to that ghost face from the movie Scream. Kind of like these bean shapes, and it's essentially the sad thing, but we are gonna change it. I'm gonna draw this wiggly, melted upper lip that this ghost is gonna have. And then I'm gonna pull it straight down, and it's gonna have a little bit more meltedness to it right there, curve underneath, line here, curve. Just kind of curving around the edges, right, to give it a little bit of depth, and that's kind of what you want. You want that little bit of depth. And we're going to fill in the darkness of the eye right here. If you have a pencil or pen, doesn't really, you can fill it in your own certain way with this marker here, which, by the way, be careful with a marker. You want to do it next to a ventilated area. These markers smell bad, and they're bad for you if you inhale them, so be very, very careful. You don't want to inhale too much of this marker right here. Just kind of fill it in. I'm just kind of filling in relatively quick. It doesn't have to be anything super technical. Just kind of fill it in enough. Alrighty. Anyways, there you go. That is a kind of a ghost face, like a melted ghost face. You can draw a little bit more here with the dripping, right? That face right there is very simple. You can kind of use it on a lot of stuff. You can draw it on stuff all the time. Like, it doesn't even have the body with it, right? It kind of has just that simple, incredibly simple face, okay? That is it. Thank you so much. Say hi to me, and I'll talk to you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.